Working with Alpha. Anywhere applications and encountered an ADB file. This is a database file from the Alpha Anywhere Rapid Application Development Platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any N3A file. Let's try the simple solutions first. N3A. Files are rare extension-labeled files without a widely documented public format. They may be generated by a specialized, legacy, or internal application. N3A. Files should be treated as unknown application data until the creator is identified. Do not rename, edit, or convert the file before checking its origin and file signature. The proprietary opener for the N3A file structure is typically FileViewPro by Solvusoft. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safety compression. Windows cannot interpret outdated encoding, so specialized recovery tools are essential. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your N3A file and select Open With. Test FileViewPro if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. When your N3A file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the N3A format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, check the source folder. Look for related files in the same directory and note the application that created the folder. The N3A file may be only one part of a larger project. Next, inspect file contents. Open a duplicate with a text editor or hex viewer to search for readable product names, XML tags, archive headers, or database markers. Finally, ask for the original app. If the file came from another person, request the name and version of the software that exported it. That is usually faster than testing random openers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.